get to the fountain?
It's over there.
It's far away? I don't know why I thought it was closer.
I could have crossed the street right here.
This is what we did to.
Hello, babe.
Hi.
What you
Ice
eating?
cream's melting. A gelato.
What kind?
What's it called? Pinocchio? I mean, pistachio, whatever that shit's called.
Alright.
Vanilla. It's melting, you know.
Where we at?
That fountain. You know that fountain.
Oh, you so camera shy.
What's it called, babe?
Trevi fountain?
Trevi fountain, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Do I have to do my face? Hey. Babe, so where's that? So what is that supposed to be? Like a park?
It's Palestine, yeah.
Oh, I knew that.
I haven't looked at them yet.
My hair looks all crazy. You need to tell me. I didn't tie my hair up. You need to tell my hair was messed up. You're supposed to tell me, just like when you were gonna work out with these tags. I would have told you.
Right now.
So. Staring at me.
That one?
Yeah.
Well, those. Okay, right on. Long way home from Stockton, homegirl.
I know. It's nice though. Very touristy though.
Of course.
Oh look, it should be. What is that? Oh no.
What?
Is it right here?
Yep.
What? Oh my gosh, babe. We should have got our pizza and I see the gate right here. Wow.
How much?
As you like.
How much?
As you like.
No. How much?
As you like. As you like. No problem. No problem. As you like. How much? No problem. As you
I got €2.
3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. All time.
Give me one.
3.
I got 2.
How much?
I got 2.
You how much? Check.
That's all I got.
How much?
There you go. Oh yeah, 1 for 2. Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you, gracias. You pulled it. Thank you, baby. Someone wants something. Okay, we'll see money.
Right on.
It was a different couple that was the one.
Yeah.
We missed the proposal. Oh, they got married. They didn't get proposed.
They got married. Piazza Navona. Where we at, babe?
You don't even know how to say it, but I know where we're at. It's this. By Piazza Navona, right? Some shit like that. Huh? Babe, does it bother you? I'm looking at it naked. Hey. I'm tired.
Oh, you just ain't having it today, girl.
I know, we rode a bike. That's why.
I rode a bike.
I'm sore.
You struggled on the bike.
Yeah, we almost got hit and fell a couple times.
Should have recorded that. You didn't almost get hit.
Yes, I did. You were riding. We were riding in the street. You almost got hit too.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Well, yeah. You remember when you followed me.
Look at this nuns. There's nuns. See 'em?
Yeah, that's gonna be
My sisters. You? Bye.
I was showing too much skin.
I know.
It's, you know, too many churches here. Probably looking at me like this woman. I kind of covered up today though.
That's a lie.
We walk a lot. I think I lost like weight.
Yeah.
We sweat a lot. We musty sometimes too.
She's musty, guys. Not me.
It's mostly
This bitch out here in pure leather. You know, she's sweating up a storm. It's hot as a motherfucker. Huh?
She's looking for a sugar daddy out here.
She need to eat. She need a sandwich or a burger or something. Fuck.
Well, look at all that walking. They probably had a dude. They do a lot of
Actually, in
walking.
Are those boots, heels, stuff like that?
No, they're not. They're just boots, babe.
Oh, shit,
Posting for
man.
the gram. I catch you. Jump, I catch. Look at them, they're kissing over there. Kissing over there.
Where?
Over there.
And they in it, aren't they? Nasty ass kids.
Yeah, let's get a room. Keep it classy. It's Italy. Wow. When are you gonna build me my castle, Alex? Get to work. You're gonna do it. You gotta do what you do to make me happy.
Did it already. You think we're in Italy?
You know, just. So this is my second castle, y'all.
Is it?
Yeah. Just one. Photographers out here. Oh, sorry. Oh. What is it?
Standing here. Nah, so like the guards, they just stand right here.
Oh, really?
This horse. They guard the borders.
Okay. I've been hitting myself a lot on this trip.
You're gonna go home and blame me.
I trip over everything you. Thank you, babe.
Mm-hmm.
You know I'm clumsy.
I know.
The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China. No, babe, I was saying because it's hella long. I was saying it because it's hella long.
Uh-huh. Yeah, alright.
I'm not, what the fuck? I don't discriminate. Everybody my friend.
Huh?
I said I don't discriminate. Everybody my friend. Actually, I have no friends. Just kidding, I do. I have a few. Oh, look at this. See over there? Already zoomed it up. Look at it. Got it. Oh shit, I just dropped it. Fucking with you. What's so interesting, Alex?
One of the movies I like. This castle's in the movie. Angels and Demons with Tom Hanks.
Oh, okay. This castle? Was it? Did they actually film it here though?
Mm-hmm. They opened the castle. He like throws a rope out of one of the windows and just and then drops right into a car and drives off.
Oh, okay. Alex is a nerd. Why does this kind of resemble the Colosseum? It's a little weird. It's like the shape. And that's the Vatican down there. Right there. Hey, can you take a picture of it? It's a better view. Okay, photographer. Where do they have the little? They have that at Venice, huh? Where they have the little where you can go in the water.
Gondolas?
The gondolas, yeah.
Venice, yeah.
We'll go there next time.
You got Venice money?
You got Venice money. I got Venice. I'll keep you Venice company.
Right.
I don't charge. Geheimweg. Echt? Ja, stimmt. Das habe ich voll verpeilt. Ja.